So, ito guys is a tulip. Different color of tulip. These flowers is a fresh one. They have the orange color. Hi guys! So, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm here at the Causeway Bay because I go to the Victoria Flower Festival. Yeah, so let's go guys. Samahan nyo ko doon. Pasyan natin yung Flowers Festival this year 2023. So maganda pumunta ng ganitong oras guys kasi konti pa lang tao. But after lunch na, nako, ang dami ng tao dito guys. So that is the entrance guys. Two way you can go inside. You can use the octopus. It's only $14 or you can buy the ticket in that counter. So I use my octopus guys. So let's go. So guys, dito sa entrance, ito na yung makikita mo agad. Mga flowers, different flowers. Ayan, oh, ang ganda diba guys? Entrance pa lang to, full of flowers na siya. Oh, diba? Ang ganda guys. Different color of this type of flowers. Ganda. Guys, pagpasok mo, ito yung makikita mo agad. It's so long and diba? It's so pretty. This one guys is made of little bamboo. Ayan, ang ganda guys, oh. And in the side, they have the snowman decoration. Ayan. Oh, this area guys is Christmas decoration guys. Late Christmas decoration. Ayan. Si reindeer. Reindeer is here also. Ayan. Ayan. Mga poinsettia flowers. Ayan. Yeah, this is like a Christmas season. Yeah. The theme of this area is the Christmas season. Yeah. Ang ganda ng yellow trumpet guys. So, ayan. They have also here in the flower festival. Ayan. And then they have these pretty sunflowers. Ayan. It's so pretty. The sunflowers guys. And then there's another yellow flowers over there. Oh, see. Ang ganda. Hilantios anos. Ang ganda naman. Ito talaga guys yung ang maganda talaga is the fresh tulip. It's so pretty guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya is ano siya, mix of red and what, peach, and then in the middle there is a statue. Yan. And then may kalabasa. Ayan. And then yun yung maganda din guys. Ano siya, made of flowers yung nandun na display. Ayan. And then dito naman sa area na to guys is yellow tulips. Ayan. Ang ganda oh. It's the yellow tulips guys. Ayan. And then this area naman guys is tulip, pink tulip with pumpkin or kalabasa. Ayan. Ito siya. So in this area guys, they have these weeds or oats. Yeah. Different color. Ayan. And then nasa gitna guys is yung ang galing nila. They are so creative guys. Oh, diba? Ito yung maganda guys. Grains. Alam niyo yung ano, yung oat siya. Multi-grains. Ganito yung ano niya guys. Ito guys, oh, may mga flowers dito. And then ito yung maganda guys. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda ng pagka-form nila. And then at the back, there is a maple tree or the sweet gum. So, ang ganda guys. All this one is made of fresh flowers. And then, ito sa baba niya guys. So, ito yung mga flowers dito sa baba niya. This area naman guys is the future, the Macau, you see. Yan, Municipality Affairs of Macau Administration. Ayan. Of course, they have these flowers. And yan yung isa sa symbols ng Macau, which is the golden flower. So, andito din siya. And then in the middle niya, guys, is napapalibutan siya ng mga so colorful flowers. Ayan. It's so popular, this one, like this, in the Macau, guys. Ayan. And in this area, guys, they have this pumpkin. Pumpkin, guys. Ayan. And yung ano niya, baba niya, guys, is flowers din. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far.
So, in this area, guys, ito yung parang pinakamaganda dito, guys. So far, na nakita ko. Kasi, ang ganda, oh, yan. Yung style niya, guys. Ayan. Different color of flowers beside this decoration. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. They are so creative. Ayan, guys. Ganyan, no? And yan, guys. Ito. Oh, diba ang ganda? Ang ganda dito sa area na to, guys. Full of flowers. And there's a pine tree. Ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. And ayan. Maganda siguro to paggabi kasi may light. Ayan, guys. Madami lang talaga. Expect mo na talaga na madaming tao dito, guys. Maaga pa. Mas lalo na mamaya kasi mga after lunch na mas madami ng tao dito, guys.
Wala pa mo.
Ito yung maganda, guys, kasi yung ano niya is hard. Mas maganda yung diba? Ayan, ito yung decoration dito sa box, guys. This one is real flowers. Ayan, guys, dito sa area na to is sunflower. Ayan, it's a sunflower. And dito sa baba niya, guys, is a vegetable, which is kale and spinach. Spinach yan, guys. Ayan. So in this area, guys, is from music culture display by student and jockey club, guys. This one is animals deform into flowers deform into animals, guys. Ayan. And ayan, this one is a bird. Ayan, guys. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. Ayun naman is turtle. And then, may flowers din dito sa baba nila as usual. Ayan. Ito, guys. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. And this is the turtle, guys. Oh. So, in this area, guys, this is dolphin flowers. They form into dolphin, guys. It's so pretty. And ayun, as usual, may mga flowers dito sa baba niya. Oh, diba? Ang ganda, guys. Ito is dolphin din. Ayan. Yun. It's all dolphin, guys. And guys. Ayan, guys. Oo, diba? Ang ganda. So, this area again, guys, is another color of dolphin. And the seahorse. Ayan. Octopus. Ayan, guys. Oh. Yun, mga octopus, mga seahorse. And mga flowers din dito sa baba niya, guys. Ito, guys, is a duck. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, that is a duck, guys. It's so pretty. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda. The color is my favorite color. Is yellow. Ayan. And beside niya, guys, there is a purple flowers. Flower festival. Kasi the last time they have is 2019, guys. So, yan. Ganito kadami ang tao, guys. Ayan. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda pa rin siya, guys. So, yan. Ganda ng mga kulay ng mga bulaklak. Mga flowers lovers. Ang ganda pumunta dito, guys. Ayan. Mas lalo na itong ganda, guys. Ayan. Ayan. And mostly here, guys, they have a lot of flowers again. Ayan. And ang ganda, oh. Dito si Angie Pop with friends. And ito, ang ganda, guys, is a lot of fresh orchids. Ayan. Oh, diba ang ganda? Yung arc, guys, oh, diba ang ganda? Ang ganda ng arc, guys, oh. Ayan. Ito ang ganda guys, is all orchids, different color. Ayan, this one is fuchsia pink orchids. Ayan. And ayan, ang ganda guys. So, ayan. Expect nyo na guys na madaming tao talaga dito ngayon kasi Sunday. Ayan, oh, ang dami. Ang ganda guys. Ayan, ang ganda guys ng mga orchids. And this orchids guys is a banda. Stripe banda orchid. Pink. O, diba ang ganda? And ito naman is yellow orchid. The pink. Ayan, arc siya guys. Ito guys is a arc na kulog orchid. So, this is the prettiest guys. Is a peacock. O, diba ang ganda? O, ang ganda yung pagka, ano niya, pagka-form niya into flowers. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda nito guys. O, si Egyptop. O, diba ang ganda? Roller coaster. Ayan. O, diba ang ganda guys? Ayan. Ang daming mga flowers. Ayan. Ang ganda din ito guys, na decoration nila. O, diba? This one naman guys is a bee. Ayan. Let's see the front of the bee. Ayan, tatlong bee. Ayan siya guys. Ang daming tao. This one guys is a butterfly and bee. Ayun, bee yun guys. So, diba ang ganda? Ayan, ito yung butterflies and their flowers. Ayan. So pretty this one guys. Is a flower. Ayan. This one guys is a bee. Ayan, bee siya guys. And dito sa ano is flowers. That is the end of my video, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye guys.